How to reset forgotten X password. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you have forgotten the password of the X app, previously known as the Twitter app, then in this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can recover it. The first step is to open the X app on your device. If you don't have this application, you can get it from Play Store or App Store. Once you open this application, if you do not have an account, tap on the option of Create Account. If you do, tap on the option of Log In. Now, usually here on this box, you will have to enter either your phone number, email address, or username. In case you have forgotten the password, tap on the option of Forgot Password at the bottom. Then, here you will have to enter your email address, phone number, or username. Enter any one of that detail and tap on the next option. Here you will have to enter your username, then tap on the next option. Now a confirmation code is going to be sent to the email address that you have entered. Tap on the next option. Here you will have to check your email and enter the confirmation code. This is the email they have sent. As you can see, the confirmation code is over here. Copy this, paste the code and tap on next. Here you will have to make your new password. Once you have entered the new password, enter it again for confirmation. Now tap on change password. Select a reason on why you changed your password and tap on next. Tap on continue to X. As you can see, you have been successfully logged into your account, and this is how you can reset your X or Twitter password. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do let us know on the comment section, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.